Hello everyone. So first off, I just wanted to thank everybody that supported our video from last Sunday and the support that we saw for Tyler and his organization. We sure appreciate that. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments in this video talking about how much snow we still have, and I have to apologize because I'm pretty far behind on editing my videos. So this video was actually filmed probably a month ago. So I'm gonna try to pound out some videos here over the next couple weeks to get us back up to date, so I'm not so far behind on my videos when I upload them. Stand behind one of these shelters to get out of the wind for a minute. So we didn't get near the snow, is what they were calling for. I bet we got maybe 3 inches or so. The wind's really starting to pick up today. So that little bit that we did get's starting to blow away, and just out here doing a check on the cows and calves, and luckily for the most part all the calves are in the shelters. There's a few calves out, they're just nursing, but it seems like they go right back inside shelters when they're done. Except for a bottle calf. She saw me come out here and expect another bottle. A little early still for that. Really lucky we don't have any new calves today yet either. It'd be a hard day to be born. If I wasn't out here, right on top of it, taking care of it, probably wouldn't make it. Luckily I'm home today, so I can keep a pretty close eye on things. So the temperature outside isn't too bad. It's about 22 degrees, but that wind, that sure makes things feel cold. I don't know what the wind chill would be, but I'm sure it'd make it feel like it's below zero. So I'd been holding off on moving these cows today over in this other pasture so they could eat. Just hoping the storm would break, but it really hasn't. It's still coming down pretty good, and the wind's been blowing pretty good still. So I'm just walking out here to give our wattle calf her bottle, and I'm probably gonna run back and grab the tractor, and then I'll feed over here in this pasture again, just to keep everybody close to them shelters, just so I'm not stringing all them new calves out over here in this open pasture here. There's a couple times I thought the storm was going to stop, but it just keeps coming. It's not really amounting to much snow, but it's been pretty windy. Like I've said in the past, it's the wind that worries me more than the snow. It goes. Looks like most everybody's in these shelters, so that's a good place for them to stay. There he goes. Meh. So of course, once I head out there to feed them cows, it seemed like the storm died off, but that's all right. It was good for me to feed them a little bit extra today. So it turned into a beautiful day today. That storm kind of petered out last night and left us with a beautiful day. It's about 30 degrees or so, I guess. Nice and sunny. Just heading out here to give our calf her bottle and move the cows over to this next pasture. I didn't record it this morning, but we had another calf. I came out here and tagged it and gave it its vaccines about a couple hours ago. So that was calf number 38 for us. So we're over halfway done, which is a good feeling. Already feels like it's been a really long calving season. Oh, good. Thought this calf was dead for a second, just sleeping. All the cows seem pretty content this afternoon. I fed them a little bit extra last night just because of that wind and the cold we were dealing with, just to try to give them a little bit extra energy. So it doesn't seem like any of them are too hungry or eager to move to the next pasture. I'll call them over to the gate here in a minute and just let them out if they want to. Here's our newest calf over here. Wasn't a very friendly mom. She's already pawing at the ground. The calf's up and going, real strong heifer. There it goes. It goes. Hey cows! Hey cows! Hey cows! So I'm moving the cows over to their feed probably about an hour early than what I normally do. I'm heading up the road to one of my neighbors and I'm getting a present for him. I'll show you guys what I got for him next week in next week's video. But hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Have a good day.